Hey food lovers, welcome back to Cooking with Nkiru Oh. Today I am sharing something truly special. My signature Nigerian Bitterleaf Soup recipe. The one that has been getting so much love and is literally going global. This soup is bold, rich and full of that authentic Niger flavor we all crave. Trust me, once you taste this soup, you will add it straight to your menu. So join me in the kitchen, let's cook. We start by making the stock for the soup. I'm using goat meat. Use the protein of your choice. I added red onions and 2 seasoning cubes. Then I added some water and a dash of salt. I also added the stock from pre-cooked stockfish. Now we cover the pot and start cooking the meat on high heat. While the meat is happily cooking away, we thoroughly clean and debone the smoked fish. After about 8 to 10 minutes, we add the cleaned, deboned smoked fish. Cover the pot and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Then we blend okpei and scotch bonnet peppers and add to the soup pot. I used Cameroon peppers, which are very spicy, so you want to be careful with that. Yes, go ahead and rinse the blender and add to the pot. You don't want to waste any goodies. Now we add ogiri Igbo, another local spice that boosts both the flavor and taste of bitterleaf soup. Cover the pot and continue cooking on medium heat. When the goat meat is about 80% cooked, we go in with the palm oil. If your meat is fully cooked at this time, remove it from the stock and re-add later. After about 5 minutes, we go ahead and add the pre-washed bitter leaf. Bitter leaf can be tricky for beginners, but here is my secret. Wash it thoroughly, changing the water until you achieve your preferred state of bitterness. You want that distinct, earthy flavor we all love. Simmer everything for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. The aroma should be irresistible by now. Now we add some thickener to hold everything together. I am using cocoyam powder. Use thickener of your choice. You can add the powder directly, as I'm doing in this video, or you can mix it with water to form a paste before adding to the soup. Mixing the powder to form a paste before adding to the soup makes it dissolve quicker. Instead of using cocoyam powder, you can use raw cocoyam, which you will boil until soft. Blend it and use to thicken the soup. Allow the soup to simmer until the thickener has dissolved. Stir occasionally because you don't want it to get burnt. Just look at that. The aroma of this bitterleaf soup is simply majestic. And the taste is so delicious. You really have to try this. Trust me, you will get hooked. Our signature Nigerian bitterleaf soup is ready, but we have to add the pre-cooked stockfish. Then top it with some ground crayfish. All these combine to take the soup from delicious to super amazing. Simmer it for about 3 minutes and you are ready to go. And here is my signature Nigerian bitterleaf soup, also called Ofe Onugbu in Igbo language. It is rich, flavorful, and ready to go global. Serve this soup with any Nigerian fufu of choice. Cassava fufu, oat fufu, plantain fufu, or as you desire. And watch everyone fall in love with this dish. I served mine with cassava and plantain fufu, and all my guests went for seconds. Thanks for cooking with me today. Remember, keep cooking with love and stay delicious. Until next time, I will see you in the kitchen for another amazing recipe. Bye for now.